Ipob UK leads. Global push. Dozens rally in London for immediate, unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. Amid escalating calls for justice across continents, a spirited group of Nigerian expatriates and Biafran supporters gathered in Trafalgar Square yesterday for a peaceful protest demanding the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob. The event, organized by concerned Igbo-British citizens and backed by a delegation from Ipob's UK chapter, underscored the growing international pressure on the Nigerian government to address Kanu's prolonged detention, which supporters decry as a violation of human rights and court rulings. The rally, held on November 1, 2025, drew dozens of participants waving Biafran flags and chanting slogans like "Free Nnamdi Kanu now" and "Justice in Motion." Protesters carried placards highlighting Kanu's extraordinary rendition from Kenya in 2021 and his ongoing trial, which he and his advocates maintain are politically motivated. The demonstration culminated in a march to 10 Downing Street, where organizers submitted a petition to Prime Minister Keir Starmer's office, urging the UK government Kanu holds British citizenship to intervene diplomatically. Uchechi Okwu Kanu, Kanu's wife, who joined the procession despite personal health challenges, addressed the crowd in a poignant mourning message shared widely on social media. "This month presents itself as a canvas for us to paint truth with purpose. Let your presence be protest," she wrote, framing the event as part of a broader reawakening of consciousness. Her words resonated deeply, amplifying the rally's theme of resilience against oppression. Hondur Ejike Ikezwagu, the chief organizer, hailed the turnout as a powerful show of solidarity. In a statement posted online, he credited the Ipob UK delegation and local Igbo community leaders for mobilizing effectively. "We must continue to exert all legitimate pressure to free MNK, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All hands on deck," Ikezwagu declared, tagging UK officials and media outlets to broaden the message. Family Writers Press International,